Are United Arab Emirates Free Zone companies eligible for 0% corporate tax? The Ministry of Finance released the public consultation document on the proposed United Arab Emirates corporate tax on April 28, 2022. The United Arab Emirates offers investors more than 40 multidisciplinary free zones, in which expatriates and foreign investors can have full ownership of companies. Companies or branches registered in these free zones is known as free zone persons as per the public consultation document issued by Ministry of Finance. Let's analyze the impact of the recently introduced United Arab Emirates corporate tax regime on these free zones. Corporate tax on United Arab Emirates free zones shall depend on the nature of the business activity carried on by them, and the person with whom business is carried out. Will free zone companies be required to meet any conditions to be eligible for 0% corporate tax? The free zone companies will be required to maintain adequate substance and comply with all regulatory requirements. Maintaining adequate substance, that is, the presence of adequate manpower, assets, and income-generating activities in the United Arab Emirates. Further, the entity must be directed and managed in the United Arab Emirates. Are tax rates applicable to United Arab Emirates free zones companies and branches? The 0% tax rate applies to the following category of income. Number 1. Income earned from transactions with businesses located outside of the United Arab Emirates export business income. Number 2. Income from trading with businesses located in the same or any other free zone, that is free zone business income. Number 3. Income from certain regulated financial services directed at foreign markets. Number 4. Passive income from transactions with the mainland in United Arab Emirates, including interest, royalties, dividends, and capital gains from owning shares in the mainland in United Arab Emirates. Number 5. Finally, a free zone person located in a designated zone for value-added tax (VAT) purposes can benefit from the 0% CT rate on income from the sale of goods to United Arab Emirates mainland businesses that are the importer of record of those goods. What are the tax rates applicable to UAE free zones with branches on the mainland in United Arab Emirates? A free zone company with a United Arab Emirates mainland branch will be taxed at the regular CT rate, that is 9% on its mainland-sourced income. However, the benefit of a 0% CT rate shall continue to be available on its other income. Disqualification from 0% tax for free zone companies. Where the free zone entity earns any other income from the mainland, it will disqualify a free zone person from the 0% CT regime in respect of all their income. What is the United Arab Emirates CT on transactions between free zone persons and their group companies located in mainland United Arab Emirates? The tax rate on such transaction shall be 0%, but the payments made to the free zone person by a mainland group company will not be a deductible expense for the mainland group company. What are the implications of free zone companies having a permanent establishment on the mainland? If the free zone person has a permanent establishment in the mainland United Arab Emirates, the entire free zone business also will be taxed at 9% in the free zone. Summary: the free zone companies will be required to maintain adequate substance and comply with all regulatory requirements like mandatory registration, return filing, etc. To sum up, the 9% tax will apply to those businesses within free zones that derive commercial benefits from the mainland, and 0% tax incentives to those businesses that do not conduct business with mainland in United Arab Emirates. Thank you for watching our video on tax implications on free zone companies based on the public documentation issued by Ministry of Finance. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you have any queries related to corporate tax, please feel free to talk to us.